My name is Siti Maulidiah. I'm from class 8E. I will make Milo milk. Watch the video until the end.
Imagination.
Milo powder 3 sweet